video, I'm going to be talking about the Benefix platform, all you need to know about this platform and what you should expect from this platform, how to withdraw, and also does this platform actually pay, and also is this platform a scam. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chioma, and if it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I will teach you how to grow on your YouTube channel, how to edit your videos, and also how to make money online. So if you're interested in this kind of things, please do want to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And if you're among those that whenever you watch my video, you leave a comment, even if it's at least one, it means a lot to me, and I see you guys. Thank you, and it means a lot to me. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Benefix platform and everything you need to know about this platform. If you can remember, I made a video about the Anchor platform, and people that watched it did well to leave their experience in the comment section. And see, from that video you will know that what I said in that video is truth. I'm not here to cap, I'm not here to give you guys false information. I will just tell you the truth about the platform. That is what I'm going to be doing in this Benefix platform. This platform was, now if you all can remember, this platform was launched around a month or 2 months thereabouts. Yes, that's when this platform was launched. And this platform claims that how to make money from the platform is through playing game, TikTok views, and referring people. Now these people are not telling you the main key and the main thing you need to do before withdrawing that your money. Now, but before I talk about it and if this platform is a scam or not, now I'll be teaching you everything you need to know. You know, when you have access to the platform, you have to register in this platform. And now for you to register in this platform, you are going to be using any search engine. Now you are going to be using the Google. Now you are going to type in benefix.tech, benefix.tech. Then it is going to load for you to be able to enter into the website and for you to be able to register in this platform. And now the platform has been opened, and for you to be able to register, you are going to need a coupon code. I know that coupon code is not free. Coupon code, you need to pay for you to be able to get the coupon code. Now for you to get the coupon code and be able to register, you are going to click on this 3 dash. Now when you click on this 3 dash, it is going to bring out for you list of this. It's going to bring up for you home, about, coupon code, sponsored post, top earners, page, and contact. Now for you to buy your coupon code, you have to click on coupon code. Now when you click on coupon code, you're going to see coupon code, vendors, and verify code. Now for you to be able to buy the coupon code, you have to go through their vendors. You will now click on code vendors. You will now click on code vendors. You are going to see list of verified vendors. You are going to see list of verified vendors. You can see Access Bank, Blessing, blah blah blah. Like they are much. Then you now pick any one of your choice. Let's say you want to chat with Blessing. You will now pick Blessing, and they will direct you to Blessing's WhatsApp. Then you chat Blessing. Oh hi, I want to buy coupon code. And they will tell you, now for you to be able to buy this coupon code, you have to have 7,000 naira, because you will pay 7,000 naira for you to be able to buy the coupon code. Then when they give you your code, you come here and register. Then you will have access to the website for playing game, for TikTok views, and for referring people. The platform says that how to earn money from this is through playing games, referring people, and TikTok views. But now before I tell you some things, now let's click back on that 3 dash and go to their top earners. Now these top earners, like the amount I'm seeing here is much. 30 million naira, 18 million naira, 18 million naira, 7 million, 5 million, 3 million, 3 million. Wow, I know you are gonna be amazed. Now I want to tell you something. I know you're gonna be amazed. Now let me give you a little bit of tips. Now if you go through these top earners, mark their names. Now if you can see, remember I told you during the coupon code seller, I saw Blessing. And guess what? In this top earners, Blessing is here. Now I saw Bridget in this top earners, she's here. And I saw hold on, there's another person. I saw Dara Media in coupon code vendors, and in top earners, Dara Media is here. Now these people are not telling you the main key and the main way to earn money from this platform, and that's what I'm going to be telling you now. The main way and the main key now to earn money from this platform is through referrals. If you have not joined, please don't even bother, don't even share it. Abeg, just use that your 7k, go to a shawarma spot, buy shawarma, buy cold Coke or Fanta, and just drink and just sleep. Tomorrow you continue your hustle, because the main way for you to withdraw from this website is through referring people. Now for example, all these people that used to tell you, okay, join Benefix, and you tell them, okay, I don't have the money to join for now, please can you give me money and I will join. When I withdraw, I'm going to pay you back that your money. They will say no, don't worry, I will give you a discount. Or you bring 6,500. Why they not giving you that 7,000 to register? Why? Because they know that the main way and the main key for you to be able to withdraw your funds is through referring people. That is it. Okay, these top earners, can you tell me that these top earners, how they got this their money is through the tax they are doing? No, like I told you, if you check, those people in the coupon code vendors are the people you are seeing in the top earners. That is it. So this is it. And also, okay, for example, how do you expect this app to make money? Money doesn't fall from a tree. Now when someone let me explain something to you and how you are going to make money, in case if you want to refer people. When someone, okay, for example, I brought someone and the person registered with 7,000 naira, then they will give me 6,000 naira from the person 7,000 and hold 1,000 naira. So you see, I have made my money, and the minimum withdrawal from this website is 12,000. So I just need to bring 2 people. When I bring 2 people, I've gotten my money now. That's just it. So let me continue my explanation and let me not be carried away. Now if I bring someone, they will give me 6,000 from the person's money, and they will take 1,000. From that 1,000, they will pay their coupon code vendors, they will pay the downlines and everything. So how much are they left with? Is it that small money that they are left with that they are going to use and pay you for the game? Is it the small money that they are left with that they are going to use and pay for the TikTok view? Come on now. I bring someone and the person should register with 7,000 naira, and they give me 6,000 naira and take 1,000, and the person I brought should not bring someone, and then from the person's money they will give me 300 naira. Remember, I brought someone, the person brought someone, so from that person's money they will give me 300 naira. So you see, my money is increasing. Now when that person brings someone, they will not follow there and give me 100 naira. This is how they would do it. So when I bring someone, they will give me 6,000 naira. When the second person brings the third person, they will give me 300 naira. When that third person brings the fourth person, they will give me 100 naira. So you can see how the mathematics is done. You can see how the money coming. So this is it about Benefix. Let me tell you, so that is it. So before you can be able to withdraw that, the minimum, you have to refer. Even if you like play games, so you have the TikTok view and everything, you guys refer someone. You have to refer someone. And I hate, and see, anything refer, I just hate it. I hate it. So all this bring someone and bring someone and bring someone, this is how they make their money. So surely, trust me, this website is a scam website. You can as well try. When you try, please, abeg, don't forget this Grow with Chioma, don't forget this page. Always come back here and leave your experience. Come back if you have withdrawn before without referring someone. Also leave it in the comment section. But trust me when I say, for you to be able to withdraw your money, you have to bring someone. And that is why all these people that are telling you come and join, they are not giving you money to enter. Highest, they will give you discount. And see, when you finish the game and get the views without referring someone, and you now want to withdraw and you have a problem with withdrawing your money, you will not go to those people, hi, good evening, please I cannot withdraw, blah blah blah. At times they will even block you, at times they will read your message, they will not even reply, at times they will leave you unread. Like, this is how they do it, and that is how your money will just go. So please, let me just tell you, this website is a scam website, but if you want to try, there is no harm in trying. But this is it about the Benefix app. So we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to make a video about anything or any research, do want to leave it in the comment section, and trust me, I will surely bring out the video. And if you enjoyed this video, do want to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to drop a comment. It means a lot to me. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.